just wanted to show this before I turn off the video. He, compared to any other singing fish, looks weird in a bit. Basically, I've owned a bunch of like 4 billies before this guy, and none of them have had this circular, like, battery compartment springs, which is weird to me. Not even the Christmas ones I have, which aren't counted in this, by the way. Even they have, like, regular ones, so I don't know about it. Also, his head has foam on the eyes for some reason. I don't know why. Yeah, I'm gonna fix it later on. It just looks kind of weird, you know?